Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening and welcome to this short tutorial on how to use IXL. You can use this either by downloading the app on the phone, or you can use the app which is already on the iPad. You can also access IXL by going into the website which is mentioned in the letter. So I'm going to sign in as a student. For the username will be the WA number of the student. So for example, I'm going to sign in as a student with a WA number of 1447, and then after adding this I'm going to add at Waad Academy. So the WA number followed by at Waad Academy. The password will be the same as the WA number, so it's going to be again WA 1447. I'm going to sign in. And now I'm able to access all the features of IXL, the math, the English, I can change the year, and I can solve any homework which is given to me by my teacher.